Welcome to the Solar System Quiz. Think you know everything about our cosmic neighborhood? From the sun's massive size to the distant Oort Cloud, we've got 50 mind-blowing questions to test your knowledge. This is the beginner edition, featuring multiple-choice questions. For those looking for an even greater challenge, check out our expert edition. Let's dive into the wonders of the solar system. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? The correct answer is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet after Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, with a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers or 3,032 miles. What is the largest planet in our solar system? The correct answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is so enormous that it could contain all the other planets in the solar system combined, with a volume vast enough to hold over 1,300 Earths. Which planet is closest to the Sun? The correct answer is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of about 58 million kilometers or 36 million miles. Its proximity to the Sun gives it unique characteristics compared to the other planets in our solar system. Which celestial body is the Earth's only natural satellite? The correct answer is the Moon. The Moon is the fifth largest moon in the solar system. What planet is known as the Red Planet? The correct answer is Mars. Mars is often called the Red Planet due to its reddish appearance, which is caused by iron oxide, commonly known as rust, on its surface. Which planet has the most extensive ring system? The correct answer is Saturn. The rings of Saturn stretch over 280,000 kilometers or 175,000 miles in diameter but are only about 10 meters or 33 feet thick. What is the name of the region filled with rocky objects located between Mars and Jupiter in our solar system? The correct answer is Asteroid Belt. The asteroid belt is a region of space between Mars and Jupiter that contains numerous rocky objects, separating the inner planets from the outer planets. What is the term for the point in the Moon's orbit when it is farthest from Earth? The correct answer is apogee. Apogee, derived from the Greek words apo, away, and ge, Earth, is the farthest point in the Moon's elliptical orbit around Earth. In contrast, perigee, from peri, near, is the closest point. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? The correct answer is Milky Way. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy that contains our solar system, along with billions of other stars, planets, and celestial objects. It's one of countless galaxies in the universe, spanning over 100,000 light-years in diameter. What is the estimated age of the solar system? The correct answer is 4.6 billion years. Scientists estimate that the solar system formed around 4.6 billion years ago from a collapsing molecular cloud. What is the collective name for the rocky planets in the inner solar system? The correct answer is terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets are rocky planets with solid surfaces, located in the inner solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are classified as terrestrial planets because they are primarily composed of rock and metal. What is the collective name for the large planets in the outer solar system composed mostly of hydrogen and helium? The correct answer is gas giants. Gas giants are large planets primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with thick atmospheres and no solid surface. Jupiter and Saturn are classified as gas giants. What is the collective name for Uranus and Neptune, the outer planets composed largely of water, methane, and ammonia ices? The correct answer is ice giants. Ice giants are large planets composed mostly of heavier elements like water, methane, and ammonia ices, along with hydrogen and helium. Uranus and Neptune are classified as ice giants. What is the approximate time it takes for light from the Sun to reach Earth? The correct answer is 8 minutes. Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers or 186,282 miles per second, and since Earth is around 150 million kilometers or 93 million miles away, sunlight takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. What are the dark, cooler regions on the Sun's surface called? The correct answer is sunspots. Sunspots are temporary dark regions on the Sun's surface caused by magnetic activity, and they are cooler than the surrounding areas. What is the name of the process by which the Sun produces energy? The correct answer is nuclear fusion. The Sun produces energy through nuclear fusion, where it fuses hydrogen atoms into helium in its core, releasing vast amounts of energy in the process. Approximately how much of the total mass of the solar system is contained within the Sun? The correct answer is 99.8%. The Sun holds about 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system, with all the planets, moons, and asteroids making up just 0.2%. What is the approximate diameter of the Sun? The correct answer is 1.39 million kilometers, 864,000 miles. The Sun's diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers or 864,000 miles, making it 109 times wider than Earth. If Earth were placed at the center of the Sun, the Moon's entire orbit would still fit comfortably inside. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? The correct answer is Venus. Venus's atmosphere is about 96% carbon dioxide, leading to an extreme greenhouse effect with an average surface temperature of about 467 degrees Celsius or 872 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the coldest planet in the solar system based on average temperature? The correct answer is Uranus. Uranus has the coldest recorded average temperature at -224 degrees Celsius or -371 degrees Fahrenheit, likely due to its lack of significant internal heat. Which planet experiences the most extreme temperature variations? The correct answer is Mercury. Mercury's lack of atmosphere causes extreme temperature swings, from 430 degrees Celsius or 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to -180 degrees Celsius or -290 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Which planet has the lowest density and could theoretically float on water? The correct answer is Saturn. Saturn's density is so low, 0.69 grams per cc, that if there were an ocean big enough, it would float. What is the densest planet in the solar system? The correct answer is Earth. Earth has the highest density of any planet at 5.51 grams per cc, due to its heavy metallic core. Which two planets in the solar system do not have moons? The correct answer is Mercury and Venus. Mercury and Venus are the only planets without moons, likely due to their proximity to the Sun. The Sun's strong gravitational pull makes it challenging for these planets to capture or retain natural satellites. How many moons does Mars have? The correct answer is 2. Mars has 2 small, irregularly shaped moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are thought to be captured asteroids from the asteroid belt. Which planet has the most moons? The correct answer is Saturn. As of 2024, Saturn has 146 confirmed moons, more than any other planet in the solar system. What is the name of the tallest known mountain in the solar system? The correct answer is Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons on Mars is about 22 kilometers or 13.6 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It is the highest known mountain and tallest volcano in the solar system. What is the largest canyon in the solar system? The correct answer is Valles Marineris. Valles Marineris on Mars is over 4,000 kilometers or 2,500 miles long and 7 kilometers or 4.3 miles deep, making it the largest known canyon in the solar system. It was named after NASA's Mariner 9 spacecraft. What is the largest impact crater on Mercury? The correct answer is Calauries Basin. The Calauries Basin is about 1,550 kilometers or 963 miles in diameter and was formed by a massive asteroid impact billions of years ago. Which planet has a day that is longer than its year? The correct answer is Venus. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. What planet has the shortest day in the solar system? The correct answer is Jupiter. Jupiter completes a full rotation in just 9 hours and 55 minutes, making it the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. How long does it take Neptune to orbit the Sun? The correct answer is 165 years. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun, meaning it has only completed one full orbit since its discovery in 1846. Which planet rotates on its side, with an axial tilt of about 98 degrees? The correct answer is Uranus. Uranus is unique because it tilts nearly 98 degrees, causing it to roll around the Sun on its side. This extreme tilt is likely the result of a massive collision with another celestial body early in its history. Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? The correct answer is Neptune. Neptune's winds can reach speeds of over 2,100 kilometers per hour or 1,300 miles per hour, faster than those of any other planet. What is the name of the faint ring system surrounding Jupiter? The correct answer is the Jovian rings. Jupiter has a thin, faint ring system composed mostly of dust particles, discovered by the Voyager 1 spacecraft in 1979. What is the name of the massive storm on Jupiter that has been raging for centuries? The correct answer is Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is a giant, long-lasting storm on Jupiter that has been raging for over 300 years. It is about 16,350 kilometers or 10,159 miles wide, making it approximately 1.3 times the diameter of Earth. Which planet has a hexagonal storm at its north pole? The correct answer is Saturn. Saturn's hexagon is a massive six-sided jet stream, discovered by the Voyager mission and later studied in detail by the Cassini spacecraft. What is the name of the largest moon in the solar system? The correct answer is Ganymede. Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon, is even bigger than Mercury. With a diameter of about 5,268 kilometers or 3,273 miles, Ganymede surpasses Mercury, which has a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers or 3,032 miles. Which moon is thought to have an underground ocean that could support life? The correct answer is Enceladus. Saturn's moon Enceladus harbors a vast subsurface ocean beneath its thick icy crust. Towering water plumes erupt into space, offering tantalizing clues about its potential for life. What is the most volcanically active body in the solar system? The correct answer is Io. Io, a moon of Jupiter, has hundreds of active volcanoes and frequent eruptions. The intense tidal forces exerted by Jupiter's gravity create frictional heating within Io, driving its volcanic activity. What is the only moon in the solar system with a dense atmosphere? The correct answer is Titan. Titan's atmosphere is primarily nitrogen, similar to Earth's, but much thicker and enriched with methane clouds. What is the name of the dwarf planet between Mars and Jupiter? The correct answer is Ceres. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt. It became the first dwarf planet to be explored by a spacecraft when NASA's Dawn mission reached it in 2015. Which is the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt that is not classified as a dwarf planet? The correct answer is Vesta. Vesta is the second largest object in the asteroid belt, after Ceres, with a diameter of about 525 kilometers or 326 miles. It is not classified as a dwarf planet because it does not have sufficient gravity to be fully rounded. What is the unit of measurement that represents the average distance between the Earth and the Sun? The correct answer is astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit, AU, is about 150 million kilometers or 93 million miles, the average distance from Earth to the Sun. What region of the solar system is home to Pluto, Haumea, and other icy dwarf planets? The correct answer is Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt is a region beyond Neptune filled with icy objects, including dwarf planets like Pluto, Haumea, and Makemake. It starts at around 30 astronomical units and extends to about 50 astronomical units from the Sun. What is the term for the boundary where the solar wind meets interstellar space? The correct answer is heliopause. The heliopause marks the outer edge of the Sun's influence, where the solar wind slows down and merges with interstellar space. It is located at a distance of around 120 astronomical units from the Sun. What is the vast, spherical region of icy objects that surrounds the solar system and is the source of long-period comets? The correct answer is Oort Cloud. The Oort Cloud is a distant shell of icy bodies that extends far beyond the Kuiper Belt and is believed to be the origin of long-period comets. It is estimated to span a region from about 2,000 astronomical units to 200,000 astronomical units from the Sun. How many known moons does Pluto have? The correct answer is 5. Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. Charon is so large that it causes Pluto to wobble, creating a binary system where they both orbit a common center of mass outside of Pluto. Which comet has the shortest known orbital period around the Sun? The correct answer is 2P Encke. Comet 2P Encke has the shortest known orbital period of any comet, completing a trip around the Sun in just 3.3 years. Unlike most short-period comets from the Kuiper Belt, Encke stays within the inner solar system. Which comet was intentionally impacted by NASA's Deep Impact mission in 2005 to study its interior? The correct answer is 9P Tempel 1. In 2005, NASA's Deep Impact mission sent a projectile crashing into 9P Tempel 1, allowing scientists to analyze material from beneath its surface. This provided valuable insights into comet composition in the early solar system. Post your score in the comments. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.